Hexagon Energy Materials is an Australian resources company with 3 projects on its books. In Western Australia, the company has its Halls Creek Gold Project and the McIntosh Graphite Project. And Hexagon is currently progressing the acquisition of Ebony Energy, which is the owner of the Pedirka Blue Hydrogen project in the Northern Territory. Chairman Charles Whitfield joins me to discuss the acquisition, why hydrogen, why Ebony, and what's in store for Hexagon next. Charles, welcome to TCN TV.
Thank you very much.
Charles, Hexagon is rapidly pursuing its proposed acquisition of Ebony Energy's Pedirka Blue Hydrogen project in the Northern Territory. Why do you believe this is a compelling and complementary asset for the company?
Hydrogen is part of the clean energy solution, and Hexagon has been focused on clean energy materials for about the last 10 years. What Pedirka brings to the table is a world-class asset which is ideally suited to fulfill the growing demand for hydrogen in the Asia-Pacific region.
Now, there's currently a strong demand across the globe for clean, portable energy sources such as hydrogen. With the output from the Pedirka project still years away, what are the long-term demand dynamics for hydrogen?
Well, the hydrogen market at the moment is about 8.4 million tonnes. That doesn't sound a lot, but you've got to remember hydrogen's actually the lightest element. So in money terms, it's worth about $120 billion. It's growing at between a 5 and 7% annual growth rate, which means that it's going to double in the next 10 years. So Pedirka hopefully will be in production within the next few years, but there's actually considerable upside at that site for additional production.
Now, looking closer at the Ebony Energy acquisition, how is the planned takeover progressing and what needs to happen to make it a done deal?
Yeah, it's moving along. It's taken some time, obviously. There are a lot of interactions with regulators and lawyers to go through, but we have the end of the race in sight. The EGM is planned for the 10th of March, and that's when Hexagon shareholders will vote on the deal. We've seen strong shareholder support from both sides as well as management support, so we have every confidence that it should be relatively trouble-free.
Now, assuming the Ebony Energy takeover is concluded, how does Hexagon's management intend to progress the Pedirka hydrogen project?
So the next step for the project is to complete a pre-feasibility study that will include a drill program to establish a JORC reserve for the feedstock for the hydrogen plant. There are also a lot of conversations that we've been having in an advanced level with joint venture partners who will help with engineering, offtake and so on, and we look forward to progressing those and completing them.
And Charles, what are Hexagon's plans to extract value from your 2 Western Australian-based projects already on your books, which are exploring for a variety of metals, also while working on integrating Ebony Energy?
Sure. So the legacy projects that we have in WA and indeed in the US are still valuable projects. We are in conversation to try and find ways to get value for them, to take them forward and progress those to further stages.
Charles, thank you for the update and all the best for the acquisition.
My pleasure. Thank you very much.
And thank you for watching. Now, if you like what you see, please be sure to like and share the video, subscribe to TCN TV and drop us a comment. Tell us who you would like to see next and what you would like me to ask them. Or if you're an investor, send us an email so we can keep you in the loop with the latest ideas to empower.